Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera with the supplied adapter and confirming the LED status. A steady light versus rapid blink matters. Once the power is stable, open the Cloudedge app and sign in because you'll reconnect immediately. Next, locate the tiny reset hole or button on the camera housing and ready a paperclip. Do not press anything yet. This sequence ensures you won't lose device pairing info unexpectedly and prepares both hardware and app for the reset action. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED changes to the reset pattern. This clears local settings. Once released, give the camera 60 to 90 seconds to reboot and create its temporary Wi-Fi hotspot. Do not unplug it. Then, in Cloudedge, choose Add Device and follow the AP mode instructions. Select the camera's hotspot on your phone, return to the app. Then enter your home Wi-Fi name and password so the camera can join the network. After the app confirms connection, finish on-screen setup by naming the camera and choosing motion and notification settings. This is where you tune performance. Make sure to accept any firmware update prompts because updates fix bugs and improve reliability. If the camera never showed a hotspot or fails to reconnect, power cycle the unit, retry the reset sequence, and verify your router is broadcasting too. 4 GHz, many Cloudedge cams do not support 5 GHz. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.